It's been a while, but I've been doing trials in the aeration lids. I had to ditch the old washers. They were in high temp, Amazon lied, but I found high temp washers that are legitimately high temperature, so we're gonna rock it. And I changed it from a 2 bulkhead system to a 3 bulkhead system, dedicating one of the lines just for extraction and one of them just for the air that gets blown in, and of course one for exhaust with a 0.2 micron filter. So I've been experimenting, found food grade RTV. It's clear, it's food safe, so I've been using that underneath the washers to further secure the washer to the lid for no air leaks. Still using high temp thread sealant on the threads to the nut on the inside of the lid, because as you pressure cook these, they rapidly expand with the heat, and as they cool off, they contract, and that process makes the threads unthread. And that's how you actually have leaks with these guys. So the high temp thread sealant is what I use on the All-American manifold mods when I put a thermal probe into them. So I've been adding the same high thread sealer to the inside of the lids so the threads won't unlock during this process. Very important. And I made a new filter line with 1.2 micron and then a 0.1 micron filter as a redundancy. So the 0.1 is the last run through the air, and then I have a medical grade check valve so no air can go back. It only goes one direction. So I honestly think this is a better solution than what people are using. They're using 0.2 55 miller diameter double barb syringe filters. They're expensive. It's like $80 for 20 of them. So I can get 0.1 micron syringe filters for $44 and 33 millimeter diameter. So yeah, they're a little bit smaller, but they're a finer grade filter. And I still add a 0.2 micron as a first point pass through as a redundancy. You always have that redundancy. If you have one, you have none. That's my rule. I sold 20 of them just recently without injection ports. The man has a proper lab, so you don't have to rely on injection ports for inoculations, but I did make some with injection ports for non-lab owning people that just, are hobbyists. They're using glove boxes. So I have like 2 different variations of the aeration lids. So I'm gonna run through it all and we're gonna see what's happening, guys, and see if you guys like the content. Look to 2 jars so you can see what they look like after the pressure cook cycle. You can tell they're holding pressure, the jars, after the pressure cook by the liquid inside the long air line. You can see the LC inside of it. This food grade RTV really helped. Took me a minute to find the food grade high temp washers, but trial and error. Sometimes Amazon lies in descriptions. So I'm switching over to 3 bulkheads. And I also started sterilizing my airlines before I hook them up to my jars when I inoculate. I got the 0.1 micron at the end and the 0.2 at the beginning. Redundancies with a check valve. This medical plastic can be autoclaved, stops the siphoning of the liquid when you turn off the air pump.